In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install LED light strips on wall. Firstly, screw brackets into the wall or ceiling where you want the lights and snap the LED channel into the brackets to hold the strip securely. Peel off the adhesive backing and stick the LED strip inside the channel. If your channel has end caps, run the wire through before sticking the lights. Cut only at the copper contact joint, usually a few inches, and check the manufacturer's instructions for precise cutting locations. Now, connect the LED strips wires to the dimmer switch and connect the dimmer switch to the power adapter, then plug the power adapter into an outlet. Turn the lights on and check if they work correctly before finishing the installation and adjust positioning if needed. Snap or slide the diffuser cover onto the LED channel, and this softens the light and prevents the dot effect for individual LEDs. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.